Awin Partner Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Awin Partner Program. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate network, I've added links in the description below. Awin is one of the largest global affiliate platforms, connecting publishers with over 21,000 advertisers across various industries, including fashion, finance, travel, and tech. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or website owner, Awin offers high commission opportunities and a straightforward tracking system to help maximize your earnings. One of Awin's standout features is its user-friendly dashboard, making it easy to track clicks, sales, and commissions. Unlike some networks that have delayed tracking, Awin provides real-time reporting, allowing you to optimize your affiliate strategy. Additionally, Awin supports deep linking, which means you can link directly to any product page rather than relying on generic banners or landing pages. This is crucial for increasing conversions and providing a seamless experience for your audience. Awin's payment system is reliable, with a low payout threshold of $20. Payments are processed every 2 weeks, which is faster than many other affiliate networks. One unique aspect of Awin is its $5 deposit requirement to join, which is refundable once you start earning commissions. While this may seem unusual, it helps prevent spam applications and ensures serious affiliates join the platform. Awin also provides a browser extension that allows you to generate affiliate links instantly while browsing advertiser websites. This is a time-saving feature, especially for content creators who frequently add affiliate links to their blog posts or social media. Additionally, Awin offers multi-touch attribution, meaning you can earn commissions even if your referral isn't the last click before a sale. The only downside is that some advertisers have strict approval requirements, and it can take time to get accepted by premium brands. However, Awin's wide range of advertisers ensures that there are plenty of opportunities to earn. If you're serious about affiliate marketing and want access to high-quality advertisers and reliable payouts, Awin is a great choice. Check the links in the description and sign up today.